There was a huge forest located between a town and a village. The forest was so huge that anyone can miss their way home as the forest has an abundance of trees. However, the forest has a park for children in the opening, and there was a huge lake located in the middle of the forest. The lake wasn't visible, surrounded by dense trees, and there lived a monster called Momo. Momo was a small monster, but he used to eat other monsters. Since Momo's hunger cannot be satisfied with other monsters, Momo started to eat everything he finds around. Momo had no teeth and could not chew the monsters. Momo simply swallows the monsters. Momo looked so big with a gigantic tummy. One day, 3 children were found missing. Yes, they missed their way home from the park and instead went towards the lake where Momo lived. Since Momo was very huge with a big tummy, it could not move faster. It slowly crawls like a baby on the lake. He saw 3 children and moved towards them. One child saw Momo and screamed, while the other one was shocked and stood speechless, and the 3rd child ran away from the place. Monster Momo swallowed the 2 kids. The 3rd child that ran away finally got his way back home and told his parents that the other 2 were eaten by Momo. It shocked the people in the town, and the parents of missing children were so depressed. Nobody was able to console them. People in the town decided not to use the park anymore. Unaware of this incident, a group of children from the city had their picnic on the other side of the park that was accompanied by a villager. They were playing football, and one boy hit the ball so hard that it moved towards the direction where the lake was situated. Monster Momo saw the ball from a distance. Since the woods were so bushy, children found it hard to see the ball. Monster Momo, after several hard attempts, finally moved towards the big ball. As Momo cannot move easily, he bent all the trees and swallowed the ball. The monsters and 2 children who were inside the stomach of Monster Momo saw the big ball arriving. They started to get out of the stomach and pushed the ball so hard. As they pushed the ball, Momo's stomach inflated like a balloon, and with a hard hit, Momo wasn't able to hold anyone inside and everyone came out of the stomach. Monster Momo lost all the weight. He became so light, the tummy became very small, and he was able to stand without any support. He said sorry to all monsters and children he swallowed. The children reached their home safely and the parents were happy. Monster Momo and other monsters then acted as a security guard to children.